What I like about maple sugaring is that it gets us out of the house in the early spring and gets us ready for a big summer. I love the difference of going out in the woods, start tapping in the late winter, and there's a lot of snow, and by the time we're on tapping, we're in a live wood that's coming back to life for the spring.
So I'm Patti from Plew Farm in Mount Holly, Vermont. This is the farm stand where we retail all of our maple syrup and our maple products. As you can see here, we have our syrup by grades. We also make maple cream. We do a cousin-to-cousin, coast-to-coast venture. My cousin is the almond farmer in California. So he grows the almonds, sends them to us, and then we use our maple to coat them. What we do here at Plew Farm is we raise animals for meat. We raise pork, beef, chicken, turkeys for Thanksgiving. We have laying hens for eggs, and then again, all of the maple products. Everything else in the farm stand is brought in from other farmer friends of ours and vendors. And our sugar house is located kind of behind the farm from here, where we have about 1,300 taps on the trees.
We're here at our sugar house that we've been at for 10 years. We've been sugaring about 10 years in this spot. About 1,300 taps, make about 650 gallons of syrup a year. We retail everything. We also make maple cream and maple candy and maple almonds. Yeah, this rig behind me is an evaporator from Leader Evaporator. It's a 2.5 by 8 foot arch. It'll do about 110 gallons an hour of sap. We like to boil 10% sap in it, and we've had good luck with it. What I like about Leader is it's made here in Vermont. It's made in the United States. That's one of the main things we like about it, and we have good local support, and everything always works good for us. Obviously, we have a lot of Leader stuff in here. And this guy right here is Jackson, my grandson, who's going to be the future of our sugaring operation. He likes sugaring more than we do.